Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to my channel. It's Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas day 2. So I wanted to, let's just go ahead and get this on out of the way. Today we're at some people's least favorite store, some people's favorite store, some people's moderately favorite store, some people's it ain't even on my favorite list store. Today we are at Wally World to see what holiday gift items are in here. I know it's the season of giving, so come on. Give my channel a subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button since you're already down there. All right, y'all, so come on, let's go into Walmart and see what they got for this holiday season. Let's go. All right, so it's nice and early in the morning. That's the only time I really come here because there's not much of a crowd. It's about 9 a.m. It feels so good outside. It's like 60-something degrees. Come on, Georgia weather. And let's see what's popping, y'all. Okay, off the bat, these are super cute. They're aloe infused ultra comfort socks. This is a great gift. $3.24. You know our feet be dry, and there's so many different like styles and colors. I think this is a really cute stocking stuffer gift. Something else that's always cute to give is a mug. They have an assortment of mugs, which is really nice. I think these are really good gifts, less than $10. So many cute designs. Look how cute this is. Sip your holiday drinky drink. Another great gift idea. Okay, y'all, so I stumbled across these velvet plush throws, and they're so cute. They have so many different like holiday themed designs. I think this is a really good gift item or something to have at your house as you have people over. 50 inches by 60. All right, y'all, we're on a full-blown Walmart tour, okay? So as I was walking around, I was like, dang, Walmart, y'all got a whole lot of Christmas decor, like, I mean, items on top of items. So, you know, you want something that you just gonna use for this holiday season, you probably gonna throw it away after the holiday season is over. Walmart has plenty of options for you, and as you can see, things are moderately priced. You got your Christmas tree designs, you got just stuff you could throw around your house to bring some color and some light to it. You have just little knickknacks, little Christmas knickknacks. Now, this is a great gift for the people that like to smell good. Now, make sure you scratch and sniff before you buy these, okay? Because you want to make sure they smell like something. But it's a lot in this kit for less than $10. You have your soap, you have your sponge, you have your lotion, your gel, your hand lotion, body butter. Great deal. Now we got some more smell good, y'all. Okay, so I could definitely vouch for Vince Camuto. His products do be smelling real good, but you know, if you're unsure of which kind of smell good product to get somebody while you're in the store, go ahead and Google it. Just Google whoever it is and look at the reviews to help you out. Y'all, they even have holiday products for the girls with curls or the guys with curls. Nonetheless, they have Cantu. If you like Cantu, they got Cantu for you. You know, if you don't, they got Carol's Daughters too. So they got some options for keeping the hair together this winter season as a gift item. Now, for your young boys, they got like these cute pajama sets, okay? Get your boys looking right for Christmas. And then they also got these cute Christmas sweaters. Feliz Navidad, do 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 do. Feliz Navidad, do 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 do. I wanna wish you a... All right, that's enough. Y'all, okay, this is another great, I tell you, great Christmas item. Get somebody like these little beanie hats with a matching glove set, or just get the beanie hats with the changeable puffs. Come on, you can change out your puff. You giving people options. Give people options. Hey, I bought you this hat. You can change out your puffs. This was less than $16. And you can pick whichever palm you want to wear, whatever day. And then they also have, you know, the hat and scarf sets, which are cute too. $20. That's a little high, but you know, it's inflation, so I guess stuff is high priced. Now, if you want something a little lower, go to the other side and get them another beanie with 2 puffs on it, okay? So the beanie options at Walmart, there's plenty, okay? You can't think of anything to get that coworker you don't really vibe with, but you want to get them a gift because you see they be having bad hair days. Get them one of these beanie hats. Now, I know y'all love to play dress up for the holidays, or you want to dress somebody up in your family. There are some cute hoodies that you can get. As you can see, there's plenty of hoodies, so you know you can get it for you and your sisters, you and your cousins, so y'all can all match and take photos. Walmart got you with the different items, the $12 each. They inexpensive. And y'all can have memories, great memories. You want to spend a little bit more money, get something a little bit cuter that you can wear anytime. Go ahead and get you this open sweater with the little fur on the hood. That's actually really cute. That looks like it'll keep you warm. Somebody want to drop me some money so I can get one of those for myself, test it out. And they also had some holiday leggings. I said, oh, y'all, okay, Walmart, I see what y'all doing here. Okay, so I know y'all going to parties and stuff, and y'all going to play dress up and whatnot. So they have these onesies in the women's section that are really tacky. So you're going to a tacky party, go ahead and cop you one of these onesies. I'm telling you, people will love it. Get you a nice, ugly, kind of cute sweater at the same time. I said, oh, I like these color options. And then you got the bells and stuff, but then you don't really want people touching you. So that's not good if you don't want people touching you, because people going to want to touch your shirt. Now, if you don't want people touching you, we'll get some kind of like these that ain't got no bells on them. I came across these and I said, would you look at here? A sweater with the headband, with the matching headband. I said, oh, Walmart. Y'all really getting innovative here, y'all. Y'all just putting it all together, so there's no excuses why people ain't got their holiday looks together. Okay, then you got some Grinch items too. I was trying to get the price here for y'all, which was $25. Ooh, that's a little high. Anyways, but you got the headband too. It's a 2-for-1. 2-for-1 deal. They have different options. That Grinch ain't got no headband, but these other ones have headbands. Y'all, Walmart is getting you holiday ready. Okay. Now it's under $6. Now, you know the people that be complaining about their feet always cold. This is a great gift. Some nice, cute, fluffy house slippers to keep the feet warm. I might need to go ahead and get myself a pair. Oh, I like this color. Those are cute. I'm too grown for this. Anyways, this is a cute gift, y'all. And also, holiday socks. Who doesn't want some high holiday socks? Warm with the plush on the inside, and then different designs. You know people's personality, the people you buy gifts for. Some like SpongeBob, some don't. All right, but you got options. And then of course, for the men, we got some holiday shirts. Chilling with my snowmies. I'm chilling with my snowmies. Home sweet Georgia. Doo-doo. All right, and then we got some. These look more like pajama shirts, less than $7. Team Nice. And I'm sure they got Team Naughty as well. And hey, y'all, I didn't forget about the kids. We got options for the kids too. So when we come to Walmart, we can get gifts for everybody. From young to old, from old to young, from people you don't really like to the people that you do like. There are options. Oh my God, y'all, look at these for the little kids. And then you can get some matching ones. Do I need a child in my life? Somebody have a niece or a nephew for me, please, to live close by. These are great, for matching with the family. I know y'all like to take holidays photos with the family, less than $10. Also, they have these sets too. So they have for men, women, and kids. So y'all can all wear y'all Grinch pajamas the day of Christmas, and y'all can take some cute photos and post them on Instagram. All right, y'all. The essentials. Sometimes you need to give people the essentials, including myself. I love essentials. Toothbrushes. Those are great stocking stuffers, and that's a gift that's actually going to be used. Well, at least you hope so. And then, of course, you can always get people a gift card. And that's it, y'all. Let's go. All right, so as y'all saw, there are so many different gift items that you can get in Walmart for a moderate price budget, okay? Especially if you got a lot of gifts to get, okay? You got a lot of people to get gifts for. Plenty of items and options to choose from. So that's a wrap on holiday gifts at Walmart. Make sure y'all tune in tomorrow to see what other holiday gift theme shopping I will be going on. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow for another episode of So Models Vlogmas. Peace.